Ashwin's Starry Adventure. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious boy named Ashwin. Every night, Ashwin loved to gaze at the stars from his treehouse, wondering about the mysteries of the universe. But one special night, as the stars twinkled brighter than ever, something magical happened. A shooting star landed right in his backyard. Ashwin rushed outside and found a shimmering star crystal glowing faintly. As he touched it, a soft voice whispered, "Ashwin, the stars need you." Before he could even blink, Ashwin found himself rising into the sky, carried by beams of starlight. He floated higher and higher until he arrived in a breathtaking place, a celestial kingdom surrounded by glittering stars and floating clouds. In the heart of the kingdom, Ashwin met Astra, the star guardian. Astra was a luminous figure with a cloak made of constellations and eyes that sparkled like the Milky Way. "Ashwin," she said, "the stars are losing their light because the star orb, the heart of our kingdom, has been stolen. We need your courage to bring it back." Ashwin, though nervous, agreed. Astra handed him a glowing compass and said, "Follow its light. It will guide you through the starry path, but beware, the journey will test your bravery and kindness." The first stop on Ashwin's journey was the Valley of Clouds. Here, fluffy clouds stretched endlessly, creating a maze. As Ashwin navigated through, he heard cries for help. A tiny cloud creature was trapped in a swirling vortex. Without hesitation, Ashwin rescued it, and in return, the creature gifted him a silver feather, saying, "This will help you on your journey." Next, Ashwin entered the River of Stars, where sparkling waters flowed endlessly. The river whispered riddles that Ashwin had to solve to cross. With his sharp mind and a little help from the silver feather, he made it safely to the other side, where a bridge of light awaited him. Finally, Ashwin reached the Cave of Shadows, where the star orb was guarded by a shadowy figure, a tall, menacing creature known as Umbra. Umbra's voice rumbled, "Only one with a pure heart and selfless intentions can take the star orb." Ashwin stepped forward, his heart racing. He spoke bravely, "I don't want the orb for myself. I just want to help the stars shine again." Umbra paused, and the shadows around him began to fade. It turned out Umbra was not a villain but a lonely guardian cursed to protect the orb. Touched by Ashwin's sincerity, Umbra handed him the star orb, saying, "You have proven your worth." With the star orb in hand, Ashwin hurried back to Astra and the Celestial Kingdom. As he placed the orb back into its pedestal, the stars across the sky lit up with dazzling brilliance, brighter than ever before. The kingdom rejoiced, and Astra smiled warmly at Ashwin. "You have not only saved the stars but reminded us of the power of courage and kindness," she said. As a reward, Astra gave Ashwin a small glowing star that would always guide him home. Suddenly, Ashwin found himself back in his treehouse, the glowing star resting in his palm. He looked up at the sky, now filled with the brightest stars he had ever seen, and smiled. From that night on, Ashwin never stopped dreaming of the Celestial Kingdom and the magical adventure that had changed his life forever. The end. Did you enjoy Ashwin's starry adventure? If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical journeys. Good night, sweet dreams, little ones. May you always have the courage to follow your heart and light up the world with kindness.